Hello guys, welcome to Mr. In this video, what about I talk to you for how to fix Outlook too many requests. Simply few methods try to this error fix it now, okay? And before that, like and comment this video, don't forget subscribe. And this method one by one follow to this problem fix it. Okay, first method for the restart your system. Then go to the start menu. Then power key press restart button. Click to restart your system. And sometimes this method working now, so restart. Then go to the next method, browsing data. Delete the browsing data, so open your browser, then go to three dot, click here. Now delete browsing data, click here to all deleted. After that, refresh the again one time, open it, close that again, your browser, open it, and go to the next method, then reset internet. So go to the settings, the network and reset internet, click here. Now come to below, here advanced network settings selected, then come to below network reset, right side reset now button, click on it, then yes, click here to confirmation, yes, click on it, then close it. You can go to the start menu, then refresh your system, then one time check it again. This method still this problem running, then only then go to the next method, you can incognito tab. So go to your browser, then three dot, click here. Now incognito window, then go to the Outlook. After that, your problem fixing now. Thanks for watching, and like and comment this video, don't forget subscribe. And if you have any queries, please ask me anytime. And this method working or not working, comment section, go to comment.